In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset cache in Slack application. If Slack has been feeling sluggish, showing old content, or behaving strangely, clearing the cache is a quick, safe way to refresh things without losing your messages or files. Think of the cache as temporary data your app stores to speed things up. Over time, it can get cluttered and cause hiccups. This process simply wipes that local clutter and restarts Slack, so it can rebuild a clean set of data. First, make sure the Slack desktop app is open. Look to the very top left of the Slack window for the icon with 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Click that icon to open the main app menu. From here, choose Help. This is where Slack keeps tools for fixing common issues. Inside the Help menu, select Troubleshooting. This section is designed for quick fixes just like this. Now, click Clear Cache and Restart. The moment you do, Slack will close itself and then reopen automatically. That's normal, and it usually takes only a few moments. When Slack comes back up, you might see your workspaces reload and your channels repopulate. In most cases, you'll remain signed in, but depending on your settings, you could be prompted to log in again. If that happens, just sign in as usual. Your messages, channels, and files are stored securely on Slack servers, so nothing is deleted by clearing the cache. This only removes temporary local data to help the app run more smoothly. A quick tip before you click the option: if you have any unsent drafts or active calls, finish or save them first, because the app will restart immediately. After the restart, give Slack a brief moment to rebuild what it needs. You should notice fresher content loading, fewer glitches, and better performance overall. If your original issue was something like channels not updating, images failing to load, or the app feeling unusually slow, check those areas now to confirm the fix. Most minor problems clear up right away after a cache reset, and that's really all there is to it. Open the 3-line menu, go to Help, then Troubleshooting, and choose Clear Cache and Restart. It's a simple maintenance step you can use anytime Slack starts acting up. Thanks for watching. If this helped, keep it in mind as a go-to fix for future hiccups. A quick cache reset can save you from a lot of frustration and get you right back to work.